What's up guys? What's up back to a new video. Today I'm gonna be playing Ranked Hypershot on mobile. So I've played this game for quite a bit now, and I'm not really I wouldn't say I'm like the expert at this game, but I can cook. So I'm gonna play like 2 rounds. So in my next video you guys should ask me to play like 1v1s or like 2v2s or something like that in this game. Or maybe even invite my other 2 friends. Oh yeah, also hit that like and subscribe button. And not only that, just get a kill. Get on my screen! You're so annoying on mobile. Next time I'm gonna be playing on PC also. So get ready for that. Oh yeah, my friend is also in this lobby. Only noticed now. Damn. Okay. Watch me cook. Dead. Okay. Get a real potion lobby. Get destroyed. Give me that flag. Oh, I can't use my abilities. Wait. Watch me cook. I just joined. I swear I just did. Let's go. I'm about to be there. Suck on that. Losers. Got my team 1 point. Right now I'm on the blue team. Cooking. Oh yeah, also follow me on Roblox. My name is Lucky2. Actually J28616. Yeah, follow me on Roblox. All of you guys just follow me. And hit that like and subscribe button for more uploads. I'm gonna come next week. Or maybe tomorrow. If I don't get 5 kills, a kill streak of 5 in this game, then I won't upload another video. And also, comment down below, what is your favorite loadout in this game? Like, because my favorite gun in my loadout is gonna be this one I'm using right now. Or maybe I'll use the shark with the blue shoes. Tralaleo, tralala. Yeah, I should stop. Oh yeah, I'll play some Steel and Braver, but my count is kind of stacked. I wouldn't say the best. I just used all my secrets to fuse, but it's going alright. Let's go. I have a kill streak of 2. No. Please. Yes, kill streak of 3. Go. No, please, that was my kill. Wait, come on, please. No! No! There's no way. Ah! Go. I'm kind of cracked on the mobile, not gonna lie. Look at this team falling apart. I am only 8th on the leaderboard. I swear I get way higher ranks than this. I'm just sucking back since I'm recording. Let's go! Use the airdrop. Let's go. Yes, my movement was insane. Let's go. Get destroyed. Oh wait. Okay, these guys are not noobs. Okay, after this I'm gonna quickly change my loadout because my loadout not be working right now. I might have to change up plans. This is bad. Oh, flop! Let's see that. Watch me cook to fourth place. Watch me cook, Rachel. Watch me cook. Oh yeah, if you also want some background music or something like for edits, I'll also make some shorts and edits just to get started. Well, this is my first video and I'm really loving it right now. So I hope you guys. So yeah, I'm not asking for much, but if we get at least 10 views on this video, I will play Grow a Garden, the biggest game, from 0 to 1 billion. Since you know, from 0 to 1 billion, not a trillion, because I don't have like those exotic seeds. So yeah, I'll do that. 0 to 1 billion on a new account. So yeah, I only have 1 hour to do it. I don't have any more time than that. So yeah. Look. No. Okay, I'm gonna change my loadout. Should I use a sniper? Okay, I'm gonna use a sniper just because. Yeah, okay, got it. Okay, guys. Don't ask me where I'm going, okay? Okay. I'm kind of cooking. Yeah, I'm not cooking at all. Okay, get up here. Oh yeah, guys, remind me what I said in the if I don't get a kill streak of 5, cause I don't think I'm gonna get that. Oh, I have instant revive. Let's go. Ah, these are so annoying. Let's go. But I'm still using the sniper. I need to get a kill streak of 5. Still dumb. Oh, I'm never gonna get a kill streak of 5 like this. I am not going to even get first place. No, I actually have buds at this game. Buds. Oh, get that. Slow. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had some mental difficulties, okay? Something just happened. It was on my mind. I didn't really get time to get... Yes? Okay, so guys. So after this, I think that was only it for today. I'm going to play one more game. And I'll let you guys have a sneak peek of my garden. So, let's go here. I don't have anything crazy growing right now because I kind of traded all my moon cats away, which was really bad. And I didn't really... So I was I'm not going to rebirth yet in the new update. So I'll show you my pets and then I'll show you my my essentials what I have. So I have Bone Blossom, right? If I didn't tell you, I had other accounts, right? I had 3 Candy Blossoms on it, but that account got hacked while I was trading on Discord because I pressed a link. Oh wow, that's small, but anyway, it's okay. Anyway, this is my garden. I got Dilophosaurus, I got Turtle, I got a T-Rex, got a Bone Blossom in the middle. If you want to see where my pets right now active, yes, they all have a bunch of stuff on. Okay, guys, so this is my kind of pets. I know they're kind of mid. So yeah, they're kind of mid. I wouldn't say like they're like too good or something like that. Yeah, so now my food's gonna feed this to my boy Sam. Sam. Oh yeah, comment down below if you hate the time of Sam. Like, why the flip is it 24 hours? And is the rebirthing update just mid, or... Because I heard a lot of complaints from this update. And I'm going to show you some more of these. Oh yeah, got some crates. Oh flip, I cannot spell crates. How the hell? How the hell can I spell crate? Oh, finally. Okay, that's all my crates. Gonna place these all down. And yeah, so this sneak peek of my garden, I'll show you my second slot next time. But not right now, because it's a secret sneak peek. So, yeah. And if you're also wondering, like, if I have any of these new stuff here, I don't have. I had the Griffin, I traded it away for some Bob offer. I think like a lot of Echo Frogs and Dilophosaurus, which was really good. And then also, I also need like, that's my stats. Yeah. So I guess that's it. My pets are leveling up again. I guess I'm gonna feed them some food. But yeah. Overall, this, my garden, if I had to rate it, was really good. Not gonna lie. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go smash it, go eat it, even poop on it. I don't care what you do, just hit it. Or even smash it. I don't care. Well, without any further ado, peace.